In this special edition of the Soil Health Minute from the Conservation Tillage Conference in Fargo, Abbey Wick sat down with a cover crop innovator to talk about how cover crops are being used globally and can be applied regionally.
We've brought in a special guest to North Dakota, Steve Groff of Cover Crop Coaching. And Steve, you're a farmer and you've also traveled the world talking about cover crops with farmers everywhere.
Yeah, it's something that has been really fascinating for me because what I've learned in my farm in Pennsylvania, what I see around the U.S. and around the world, is there's a lot of similarities in the whole movement, if you will, of soil health and cover crops. Now, there's also a lot of differences, and that's why we have meetings to get together like this to try to figure out how to apply those basic principles that we know that are worldwide, but to apply them in a local area.
So what is your main message when it comes to those basic principles on getting farmers started with cover crops or using them effectively?
I keep it pretty simple. I just try to encourage farmers wherever they're at to use a little less tillage and a few more cover crops. But it's all underlaid with trying to increase your diversity of species, which can involve both your cash crops and your cover crops.
I like when you talked about how you include your cash crops as part of your diversity.
And when you're thinking diversity, the soil doesn't know the difference between a cash crop and a cover crop. Basically, the biology within the soil is going to respond to diversity. So if you can expand that, and I like to challenge farmers that you got to think a little bit beyond corn and soybeans if you want some of these results that we're talking about. So wherever you're at, can you start with a small grain maybe, which opens you up then to a multi-species cover crop.
One of your tips was to manage a cover crop like a cash crop.
You have to have that mindset in order to be successful, that you treat the cover crops the same way you treat your cash crops. Plant them on time. Use the right species. Have the right planting equipment. Same things you think through your mind for growing your cash crops.
Great. Well, thank you so much for being here and for being part of this special segment of the Soil Health Minute.
You're quite welcome. My pleasure.